In this video, I'll show you how to set up dual screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1 is to check for dual screen support. Confirm your Switch 2 model and firmware support dual screens. Check Nintendo's official documentation or updates. Step 2, connect the second screen. Use the official dual screen accessory or supported device. Connect via USB-C, HDMI, or wireless as instructed. Step 3. Enable dual screen mode. Go to System Settings and then to Display or Dual Screen. Toggle Dual Screen Mode on. Step 4. Configure layout. Choose how you want the screens arranged. You can choose vertical, horizontal, or anything else. And then step 5 is to launch a compatible game. Start a game or app that supports the dual screen features. And now you can enjoy. That's how you use dual screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you like this video, then please subscribe. If you found it helpful, then leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can also leave a comment. And I wish you a nice day.